Hello there, I'm Manir Jaman. Today I'll show my latest project, a consultation website. This site is actually built with Node.js and Node Express MongoDB. This consultation website, the admin will give the consultation to his client that how carbon emission can be zero. So without further any delay, let's start it. It is landing page. From here, any user can see any company by putting the company name and the company unique ID. Here is the next section, service. Here it's showing the payments for getting service in monthly and annually, and about section and contact us. So now we'll go to the user dashboard. From here, user will be able to show the emission from data. Those are the data which user have already inserted from the emission form. Here is the full four form in 4 step. By putting those values, the user will be able to show this data like this. And here is the personal information, and from here a user can see the latest blogs from here. So to get these blogs, a user must be subscribed. This user is not subscribed, so he cannot see the blogs. And as the notification section, from here a user can get all the notification, and he can book free consultation. If admin accepted, he will be able to get a meeting with the admin. And here is the video consultation. This consultation is for paid. And here is the basic information, privacy policy and terms and condition. So this is the basic for the user interface. Now we will go the admin dashboard. Here is the admin login credential. From here, the admin can see the user growth, user revenue, total system, and the blogs. From here, admin can create blogs and see all the notification from here, and can monitor all the subscription. From here, if we get the logout and go to super admin, from here super admin can monitor all the issues and all the activities. From here, super admin can add another user or admin from here. Okay, here is the all about detail of my site. So thank you very much.